In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a banner slider to your Shopify store using the Dawn theme. A banner slider, also known as a rotating or slideshow banner, can be a fantastic way to showcase promotions, highlight key features, or simply make your homepage visually dynamic. Let's dive right in. First things first, check to see if your version of the Dawn theme already includes a built-in slideshow or image banner slider. Shopify often updates their themes, and newer versions might already have this feature ready for you to use, which means no custom coding is necessary. Start by accessing your Shopify admin. Once you're there, navigate to the Online Store section. You'll find this on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Under Online Store, click on Themes. This will bring you to a page where your current theme is prominently displayed. Make sure your active theme is indeed Dawn. Then click on the Customize button next to it. This opens up the theme editor where all the magic happens. With the theme editor open, look for the page selector at the top of the screen. It's a drop-down menu where you can choose different pages to edit. For this task, you'll want to ensure you're viewing the home page, as that's where you'll likely want your banner slider to appear. Now, turn your attention to the left panel. You'll see an option to Add Section. Click on this and browse through the list of available sections. You are looking for one labeled Slideshow or Slideshow Banner. If you find it, great news. This means your Dawn theme supports a banner slider right out of the box. Add this section to your home page and start uploading the images or slides you wish to showcase. Once your images are uploaded, you'll need to configure the settings to tailor the slideshow to your needs. Pay attention to options such as slide height, and consider whether you want the slides to auto-rotate or if you'd prefer manual control. You can also adjust the transition speed, providing a smoother or more rapid flow between images depending on your style preference. Additionally, decide whether you want to include navigational features like arrows or pagination dots to enhance user interactions. Remember to periodically save your work as you make these adjustments. After you're satisfied with the configuration, take a moment to preview your homepage. This gives you an opportunity to see the banner slider in action and ensure everything looks and functions as expected. If, after testing, you're happy with the slideshow, congratulations, you're all set. However, if the built-in options don't quite hit the mark, you might need to explore custom solutions for more advanced customization. That wraps up our guide for today. Hopefully, this step-by-step walkthrough has helped you enhance your Shopify store's visual appeal with a dynamic banner slider on the Dawn theme. Happy designing!